Hey guys, happy Wednesday. It is January 8th. Portfolio is sitting at $11,969. We are down $25 today. On the week, we are down $3.14. 1 month, we're down $359. 3 months, we're up $819 or 7.35%. Year to date, we are red, down $2. 1 year, we're up $2,500, and then all time, we're up $3,600 or 43%. Still do have $1,300 in our buying power, and this is what the portfolio is looking like. No new changes to our crypto. We have Bitcoin, Shiba Inu, and Ethereum. Let me know, what do you guys think about crypto, and if I should start maybe some recurring investments on maybe at least some Bitcoin and Ethereum? Maybe $1 a day and see how it goes. What are you guys' thoughts on that? I have had Bitcoin and Ethereum for a while now. Shiba Inu I bought just for the FOMO. We're gonna let that ride, and let me know what you guys think about the recurring investments on that. Looking at the regular portfolio, only green in the portfolio is Snap-on. $1.44 on that today. Snap-on up 0.34%. Snap-on been a pretty good buy, even though when you look at the chart, the 1 week they're down 1.39%, and on the month they are down 6.14 or 19, excuse me. They are down on the 1 week and the 1 month, but that is the whole portfolio, or the whole stock market rather. If you look at VU, 1 week they are green, but on the month they are down 3.12%. So heading back over to Snap-on, looking at the other charts, 3 months they're up $50, or 1 year they are up 19%. Very, very good on the 1 year. I did scoop this up last March, I believe, in 2024. But I did start dollar cost averaging into Snap-on as well as Johnson & Johnson. Snap-on has paid off a lot better than Johnson & Johnson has. Looking at Johnson & Johnson, it's been taking a hit basically all last year. If you go to the, pretty sure they're red all across the board, but down 3% on the week, 4.7 on the month, almost 11% on the 3 months. Year to date, red. 1 year down almost 12%, and 5 years down 1.26%. So they are red on all across the board, which is pretty crazy. Johnson & Johnson, I have almost 2.4 shares, $340 of market value, and then I have 428 of Snap-on. I did start buying these on the same day, so started dollar cost averaging into both, but Johnson & Johnson has just been absolutely taking a hit. As you can see, I'm down almost $26 on it, 7% since I started buying that. But I have been just throwing $2 a day into that. 3.36%. Looking at Snap-ons, they are at a 2.3%, so a little higher yield for Johnson & Johnson. Johnson & Johnson, let me hop over to Dividend Tracker and show you guys some of the dividend stats. So looking at the Dividend Tracker, we are at $377 of annual dividend income, up $2 from our last update. And then looking at Johnson & Johnson, some of the dividend info, as you can see, their yield right now, as it stands, right below 3.5%, is the highest it's been in the past decade. If we look back on this graph, it goes back to March 12th, 2015, and the highest it was 3.26%, it looks like, and we're up at 3.39%. June 11th, 2024, did spike to 3.38, took a dip down, all the way down to 2.9, and then now we're back up to 3.39. Again, the highest the yield has been in the past decade, which is to be expected. Same thing holds true with Pepsi. Let's show you guys Pepsi. Basically, let's look at 1 year. So they had a pretty decent sized pullback, down $21 or 13% in the past year. And then looking at the dividend chart, their dividend yield is at 3.73. Again, the highest that it has been in the past decade. Have been eyeing up Pepsi. Just looking at the chart, it's just crazy recently, but it might be a good buy. I have been definitely eyeing up. And another one that I have been eyeing up would be Hershey Company. Let's look at Hershey Company. Hershey is another one where They are at basically a very, very low. Look at the 1 year again. They are down 27% or $27, 14%, even more than Pepsi. They did have that huge spike back in 2023, all the way up to $274. They've had a huge pullback. They're back down to 161. And then looking at the dividends, same thing holds true with the Pepsi and Johnson & Johnson. Their yield is the highest that it has been in the past decade. I've been eyeing up Pepsi and Hershey Company, as well as looking to buy more Johnson & Johnson and Realty Income as well. Realty Income's been one that I've been talking about in basically every single one of my videos. Realty Income has been taking a hit as well, and now we're back down to where we were in July. The dividend yield is sitting very good at 6.02%, so a very healthy yield with a very healthy REIT. So Realty Income is my favorite REIT, so that's why I have been so heavy on Realty Income. But I will continue to be buying this and keeping an eye out on Pepsi and Hershey Company. I did want to tell you guys that special announcement, if you guys are here this late in the video, but I'm going to be starting a new series on the channel. I'm going to be doing on Robinhood. So I'm going to be doing, for every subscriber we gain, I will be contributing $1 into the portfolio. So say I gain $100 or 100 subscribers, I will be having to put $100 into the portfolio. It'll be a fun challenge for me, and it'll be a better way to build the channel and build a portfolio at the same time, because I have been sick of just seeing stagnant growth, and I will be getting you guys involved in this. I will be posting polls on my YouTube community tab with 3 or 4 stock options, maybe 5, that you guys want to see the money go into. So you guys are the ones subscribing, and you guys are the one that are picking the stocks for me. Obviously, if it's going to be on this portfolio, it will be a dividend-based stock, example like Pepsi and Hershey. And maybe if I wanted to get the public portfolio involved, I will be doing a higher growth stock such as Tesla, Apple, Nvidia, something technology-based that I want to throw some more money into. I think this will be a better way for me to put more money into the market, especially while I'm young, take more risk, and just have some fun. So make sure you guys like and subscribe, share the video, and this will also be a better way for me to upload more in 2025. I want to be putting out not so much content as last year. I really took a challenge on that was upload 1 video a day to the end of the year back in October, and it felt like an excuse for me just to upload every single day and just put out some horrible content, rushed content. So I want to make some very thoughtful, edited, good content that I'll be putting out for you guys. And yeah, because I enjoy editing, I enjoy making videos, so I will be doing that for you guys starting after this video. After this video posted, I will be doing that series. But looking at our recurring investments, we got 6 into VU, 1 into SPHD, 2 into Snap-on, 5 into QQQ. We did get back into Triple Q, just so you guys know. 1 into Realty Income, 2 into Johnson & Johnson, and 3 into JEPQ. So we did go back into QQQ. We've been in and out of Triple Q for a while, all the way back in 2020, actually. But we will be keeping it, throwing those $5 a day in, and collecting, not a very big dividend, 0.5%, but also getting that growth as well. Looking at the 1 year, up almost 30%, and then 5 years up 142%. Very good growth, and thought I should include a little bit of growth in while still getting a little bit of that dividend. So like and subscribe, guys. Again, excited to see what this new series brings to the channel. Love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video.